we will see how approving user can process WORKITEM or task in simpliRP BCMS. Now, we are logged in as Ashish Sen. Also, we can check the workflow path of document type, traveling expenses form. We can see Alok will send to Ajit. Ajit will send to Ashish and Ashish will send back Alok after approval. Also, we can see there are 2 tasks pending for Ashish. Click that. You can see the task is pending for you. You can also see the comment given by Ajit Sinha. Click the task. It will open. There you can see all checklists filled by previous users. Also you can see all the previously uploaded document versions on the right side. You can also fill the answers to checklist. Then enter the comments and save. You can see the pending work item has reduced to 1. You can also see the completed WORKITEM. You can click on that, select the date range, and go. You can see the subject WORKITEM is appearing. Click that, it will show the complete audit trail of that task. You can also click on the document. It will show all checklists filled by previous users against their username. Also, it will show the previously uploaded document versions. We are now logged in as Alok Sharma. You can now see there are no pending work items. Also, you can see completed work items. You can click on the completed work items. You can select the date range and click Go. You can see the subject work item is appearing in the list. You can see the complete audit trail history of that work item. It's also showing finally Ashish Sen has sent to Alok Sharma. You can also see the checklist answers filled by all the users and all the documents uploaded. simpliRP Business Control and Management System is the easiest way to manage your business process management. Thank you.